Now, finally, we know when the man accused of killing a 75-year-old woman in her San Antonio apartment will go on trial. Paula Boyd was found dead in her apartment in October of 2015. And after a mistrial, missing evidence, and years of delays, the man charged in her killing will have a retrial. It's the next big case that we're featuring on our open court live stream. Our Erica Hernandez catches us up before tomorrow's testimony.
Paula Boyd, also known to some as Paulita, was beloved by many, an H-E-B employee who coworkers say was a favorite to many customers. But one day, those coworkers grew concerned. On October 21st, 2015, after Boyd did not show up to work or answer her phone, a coworker went to check on her, but found a gruesome crime scene in her apartment. Boyd had been beaten, strangled, sexually assaulted, and robbed. Her autopsy revealed she died of blunt force trauma and strangulation. With no sign of forced entry into the home, investigators turned their attention to other factors. A day later, they noticed Boyd's debit card was being used. Surveillance cameras caught a man named R.C. Curtis trying to use Boyd's debit card at a gas station. Two other men were also accused of using Boyd's cards. Curtis, no stranger to Boyd, he was married to her granddaughter at the time. In November, Curtis was arrested for credit card abuse and fraudulent use of identifying information. During Curtis's arrest, police collected his DNA. 4 months later, results revealed that his DNA matched to DNA found at the crime scene.
Well, the victim did know the suspect and probably felt comfortable opening the door for the suspect when he went in the house.
On March 1st, 2016, Curtis was officially charged with capital murder. Though it wasn't till years later, on November 1st, 2021, that he sat in front of a jury. Days after the trial began, it was halted. The defense was arguing that prosecutors revealed new evidence too late, including 2 DVDs that could point to other possible suspects. Judge Stephanie Boyd decided to declare the case a mistrial. A month later, even more new evidence was discovered. The state submitted new blood evidence from the medical examiner. In 2022, a retrial was expected, but the defense filed an appeal to stop a retrial from happening. It would take 2 years for that to be settled. In the summer of 2024, an appeals court denied the request and the retrial could move forward. Judge Stephanie Boyd set the date for December 2024. A couple days before a jury was to be picked, another delay. Defense attorney Charles Bunk told the judge prosecutors told him more evidence was discovered. This was from Paula Boyd's cell phone. Judge Stephanie Boyd had enough.
There was a mistrial because the defense didn't get the discovery. And now we're back here for a discovery. I don't understand why everyone is waiting to the last minute to accomplish things.
She ordered weekly hearings with both sides and the lead detective to comb through the entire case. During those hearings, more evidence was found. But by March 2025, they completed that process, and Judge Boyd set the retrial date. August 18th, jury selection, and testimony to begin on August 19th.
Now, if found guilty, Curtis would automatically be sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. We are live streaming this case gavel to gavel. You can watch on all of our digital platforms. And so watch with us to see if Paula Boyd gets justice. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.